What's up, guys? Welcome back to the YouTube channel. Today I'm going to introduce you a new exercise that honestly you can do at home at any point on your own. This is a great oblique stability exercise called the Copenhagen knee tuck. All right, guys, now I'm gonna go step by step on exactly how to perform this exercise. All you need is any type of weight. You can grab a light dumbbell. We're gonna get ourselves into a forearm side plank. Throw one leg on top of the bench. You're gonna press the dumbbell up to the sky. Now making direct eye contact, keep the dumbbell right above the shoulder. Don't let it fly behind the head right here. That's not gonna be good for your shoulder. Make sure you keep it straight above. You're gonna go ahead, squeeze your glutes, lift your body off the ground. Now you're in the side plank. So right now we are contracting our abs. You're gonna take your lower leg underneath the bench and tuck your knee as close to your chest as you can. Going nice and slow, work on that control. You don't wanna go hyper speed because that's not really gonna work your core right here. Make sure you're contracting nice and slow, keeping that tension. For any time that you're doing this, 20 seconds or more, you're really gonna be stimulating that core. All right, so that's my advanced exercise for you guys to try to do on your own today. It really hits home to the obliques, so if you're really trying to work on your side abs, right, get a little more trim there, this is great exercise for it. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Hope you learned something new. I'll see you in the next one.
Okay, that was nice.
Oh, dude, that was like so glad it's over.
This ain't what you want, bitch, I'm a fucking phenomenon.